Hello everyone. In this video, I develop a weather monitoring system using a Django, AJAX, Celery and Redis, a message broker. Django, basically a Python web framework, scalable and secure web framework. And AJAX is for use to prevent the reloading the page loading when I submit some data in the prompt. Another I use a Celery or Redis, a message broker. Their purpose is they are done any work in internally, okay, without disturb the main flow of the program. And we use a database PostgreSQL. Here we store city name and the weather and some information regarding like humidity, overcast, etc. And also I save our tasks that are uncompleted in the PostgreSQL in another. So in this video I demonstrate the weather monitoring system that's developed using the Python and Django. The application allows the user to search for a city and view its current weather information. Okay, the weather data is collected from the OpenWeatherMap API, and I use their APIs, and AJAX is used to submit the city name without refreshing the web page, while Celery and Redis process the API request in the background. Okay. The fetch weather information is also stored in a PostgreSQL. Technology I used here like a Python, Django, PostgreSQL, AJAX and jQuery, Celery Redis and OpenWeatherMap API and Bootstrap 5 and HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Okay. So our main features is search the weather information by a city name and display the temperature, humidity and weather description. Fetch the data without reloading the web page, the help of AJAX, and process the API request using the Celery background tasks. Use the Redis as a Celery message broker. Okay. Store the weather search result in PostgreSQL and responsive by help of the Bootstrap user interface, and also handle the invalid city name with API errors. The project is suitable for the beginner who want to understand how to Django, API and AJAX, Celery and Redis and the PostgreSQL work together in a real world web application. Okay. So here we suppose enter some name like Asansol. Then I search the data. The pending request is waiting for the 10 second. Right. Then after that the result is came. Okay, in the Asansol, the current weather is 31.9 degrees centigrade and overcast cloud and humidity 60%. Okay, if I change it like Kolkata, Kolkata, then search it. Kolkata, 30% moderate rate, humidity 79%. If I send some wrong answer, wrong input like this type of input, then search it. Unable to fetch the weather information. Okay. This is another request to go. So this is all about my code. Here we use the Redis and Celery, and I show you how to backend is performing the Redis and Celery. This is my Redis server. It's already worked, and this is my salary. Okay, here the fetch the information. The information is received successfully, and the Delhi return JSON format here, and here also some requests are come like Asansol, Kolkata. Okay, and here we when I insert some wrong input, then this error is come. This is my Python backend server, and my data will be stored here. Uh, this is my PostgreSQL pgadmin 4. Okay, pgadmin 4. This is my table, weather table, where I save the city names and their temperature, humidity, and overcast, and their time of date when I search it. And we have another table. This is called we have another table. Django salary. And this is our another table. This is called a where we upload every task that are completed and rejected tasks that are stored by the Redis in our database. Okay, there is task ID, unique ID. Every task have a, and they have a status of this, a success status. Also, they come with a fail status. Okay, and the result is stored in a JSON response in my database. Okay. So this is all about my code, and here I configure my PostgreSQL username and password. This is my setting. This is my salary.py configuration, and in my project level, and this is a URL of the project level URLs, and in this is my app. The name is weather app. Here we also changes some this tasks, schedule all the tasks here. Okay, then and there is URL, a project app level URL. This is our as a view function. I share all the code. Okay, and the static, here we write our AJAX path or AJAX path. Okay, and this is my template part that user interact with our application. So this is all about my code. Okay. This is all about my another check like Mumbai, MUMBAI. Waiting for 10 seconds because I delay the as a 10 second. So after 10 seconds the result is came. Noise 20, light rain. Okay, thank you for watching this video. So if you want to check the APIs by help of Postman without using a UI, then here we write Kolkata, then here we just change like Mumbai, Mumbai, Mumbai. Then you send this, then success true, tax ID already generated, whether request is submitted. Okay, you just copy this tax ID. Okay, then you go here and write this tax ID. Just change this tax ID. Okay, that's format. Then you send it. Then you come the success is true, status is true, completed, and the record ID generated 25, city is Mumbai, temperature 28.3 degree, 28.3, humidity 83, and light rain. This is our test, true or pending state. We can send it. Success rate is true, status is pending, and completed false. Is the intermediate test. Okay, this is so. So this is our result. Is come from the JSON format. Here we are submit via from. Okay, in the JSON format, the success true, message whether request is submitted, and tax ID already generated. The tax is submitted already. Okay, this is an intermediate state where the status is pending. Okay, this is our result. Okay, come from the JSON format, another, the weather is another JSON. Okay, thank you for watching this video.